Oh wait, he's slowing down. Let me pull.
I think he's getting tired.
Over the water ball.
Oh my God.
He started like chasing after it.
I gotta be able to see it. There he goes. Make smaller circles.
Marcus goes slow right there, and then right here he goes fast. See it? Maybe he starts like going slow, then he starts going fast.